Только не убивайте, пожалуйста.
Just don't kill me. Take me with you, please. Fighters of the 4th Battalion of the 101st Brigade of the General Staff Security Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine repelled an assault, eliminated 5 occupiers, and captured 1 prisoner.
Оце я його заборонив. А, ні, оце. Попись. Сейчас попробуем что-то с тобой решить.
Нельзя.
Пока что нет. Пока что нет. И может даже серию туда. Ты куришь?
Скажите честно, убивать не будете.
Да,
Я же никого не убивал.
если честно скажу, я не знаю. Я не знаю. Да. Да мне ничего немає, блядь. Один магазин.
Только не убивайте, пожалуйста. Заберите меня с собой, пожалуйста.
Ukrainian Defense Forces congratulated Russians on their holiday on February 23rd.
Сука. Аккуратно, аккуратно по лесу! По следам только!
Мы слышим тебя, слышим, идем уже, вот. Увидел.
Только по следам друг друга, блядь, идем!
Все, мы на подходе, вот ты.
Сука, ебаная, 23 февраля. Миньон деверю, срочно, блядь, носилки. На землю, выдвигай группу эвакуации, блядь.
Destruction of enemy personnel by the special forces of the separate unit Kryla Omega using FPV drones. The Kryla Omega Wings, is a specialized unit within the Ukrainian armed forces, established to enhance the country's aerial defense capabilities. This unit focuses on advanced aerial warfare tactics, including the operation of unmanned aerial vehicles and sophisticated radar systems. By integrating cutting-edge technology and specialized training, Kryla Omega aims to bolster Ukraine's defense against aerial threats and improve situational awareness. The formation of this unit underscores Ukraine's commitment to modernizing its military forces and adapting to contemporary warfare challenges. Kryla Omega plays a crucial role in the defense strategy, focusing on reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes. The unit's advanced UAV systems provide real-time intelligence, enhancing Ukraine's ability to respond effectively to threats, especially in the context of the ongoing conflict. After meeting with Trump, Macron stated that a ceasefire in the war between Russia and Ukraine could be reached in the coming weeks. French president said this in an interview with Fox News.
And I think the arrival of President Trump is a game changer. And I think he has the deterrence capacity of the US to re-engage with Russia. So I think it's feasible. My concern is that we have to go fast, but we need something first, a truce which could be assessed and checked, and full-fledged negotiation.
We still have to decide which side to take during the war for Greenland, jokes Russian propagandist Solovyev as he continues to threaten Europe with war.
We will respond to the white terror with red terror.
Well, honestly, anything could happen. If
Can't
it
watch
won't
it,
happen, I would say. But it can't not happen. And for this, by the way, we need to gather strength. Gather, because we don't know what will
we still
happen
need
next.
to decide whose side to take during the war for Greenland. against this colonial, capitalist, arrogant Denmark. We will need to understand that, yes, but that is where it is all heading. I am actually not really joking about it.
Representative Joe Wilson have a point. There's really only one reason why war criminal Putin invaded Ukraine, and it's because he wants to recreate the failed Soviet Union. It has nothing to do with NATO. Russia has had a border with NATO since 1949 called Norway. NATO ally Finland has an 830-mile border with Russia.
One point that I want to really reiterate on behalf of to the American people, and that is there's really only one reason why war criminal Putin invaded Ukraine, and it's because he wants to reinstitute and recreate the failed Soviet Union, and he wants to create that empire. And there was previously the Soviet Empire with nomenclatura, the elite running the and being beneficial to the elite, not to the people of Russia or the Russian or the Soviet republics. And now it's Congressman Costa is right. It's a mafia with oligarchs who are being benefited, and the people of Russia are being taken advantage of. And it's particularly sad for me because I've had wonderful visits to Russia, from St. Petersburg to Novosibirsk. One time I was there to see a billboard that said, "Welcome to Novosibirsk." Times have changed. It said in English, the Chicago of Siberia. Chelyabinsk is the sister city of my home community of Columbia, South Carolina. Wonderful visits to St. Petersburg. And so it's really disappointing to me about the people of Russia. And another point is that it's been stated that Putin acted out of self-defense because of the threat of NATO. NATO is a defensive organization. He's had a border with NATO since 1949. It's called Norway. To claim that he was trying to avoid a border with NATO in Ukraine actually failed, as we know. Finland has an 830-mile border with the Russian Federation, and now a member of NATO, and how extraordinary the unintended consequence of Finland and Sweden giving up 200 years of neutrality. Indeed, to me, it's clear that war criminal Putin is on a path to self-destruction.
After the Russian strike on Chernobyl nuclear plant, as of 1600 on February 25th, work continued on detecting and extinguishing smoldering hotspots and partially uncovering structures on the sarcophagus. According to official data from the State Emergency Service of Ukraine, the radiation level at the station remains stable.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.